Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cache Knowledge. In this video, we are going to learn about how to execute Python script or Python commands. So in this video, we will be discussing three ways in which we can execute the Python script or the commands. So first one is Python interactive shell. Another way is using the IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. And third is using the command line. So let's start with the Python interactive shell. Go to the terminal. The prerequisite of this video is that you need to have the Python installed on your system. So let's say you have Python installed, then you go to the terminal and write Python. This way you will log into the Python interactive shell. So currently it is showing the version 3.9.3. If you have to exit of this shell, then you can write like exit, or you can press Ctrl D or Ctrl Z and you will log out of this shell. Another way of login is you can, instead of just writing Python, if you want to use a specific version, say Python 2, then you can also log in using Python 2. But it shows like warning, Python 2.7 is not recommended because there is no active support for Python 2.7. It has been deprecated from 2020 onwards. So let's exit from here as well. Another way is we can write Python 3. It shows Python 3.9.3 and we can execute any Python command here. Say let's try hello, which is not a Python command. It will fail. It says name error, name hello is not defined because hello is not a command in Python. So there's a command called print. If you have to print anything on the console, just write print, write welcome to Cache Knowledge. Yeah, you can see the output is printed on the console. So there are multiple ways of printing or using the strings in Python. As of now, we have use the single quote. If you want to use double quote, that is also possible. Yeah, suppose if you want to use the escape character in this, then it won't work here with the single quotes because we haven't escaped this code here, so it will fail. It will say it doesn't know what is this acknowledge. It identified it as a string, but it doesn't know what is this. So if we have to use again a single quote within the single quotes, either you can use the escape character like this, or you can use the double quotes here. In double quotes we can use the single quote easily. It will work fine. This is how we can use this interactive shell. We can use it as a calculator as well. For example, I want to do the multiplication here. Okay, yeah, it prints output. It says 8. For example, I want to say 5 minus 1. It works. So for example, I want to concatenate to string, say welcome to Cache Knowledge. It is concatenated now. We can allocate it to a variable as well. For example, say str, and now I can print that variable, that is print str. It is printed. So this is how this shell is working. We can also declare the variables here. Say I want to say x is equal to y. It is assigned, x is assigned value of 5. Now say y is equal to 2. Now if I multiply it, x into y, it will print the output 10. So this is how we can also use the interactive shell as a calculator. We can execute any Python command here. So this is one easiest way of checking any particular Python command, how it is working, what would be the output of it. Another way is we can use any IDE. For example, I'm using PyCharm. It could be any IDE you can use. When you download this, I'll provide the link of this PyCharm so that you can download if you want to use it in the video description. And there is a way, like you just come to file, click on new project. It will create a new project for you, and in that project it creates a default file named main.py, and it will have a default main function and then the function print hi. Using this we can again print something. You can, if you are new to the Python programming language or any programming language, you don't know what are functions, then you can simply ignore it for now. I just wanted to show how do we execute the script using this IDE. So you can just do run main, it will click hi PyCharm. If you are not aware how this is working, you can ignore. We can do same thing what we did in the interactive shell. So say welcome to cache launch. We can execute using the command as well from that using command line. So my file name is main.py. I can write python3 main.py. See, same output is there. So either if there is a main method, it will provide you option of running the command. Otherwise you can just click on this, it will show welcome to cache knowledge. This is second way, and third way I showed, that is from the terminal. We can, or using the command line, you can just specify python3, the name of the file or name of your script, and it will execute the script. So for example, we tried x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. Now we want to print the multiplication of it. So one way is we can execute this from here. Suppose x into y, I execute this, it will show 10. Or from the command line, I can again go and execute the script like this, it will show the output. So basically these are three ways how we can execute the Python commands. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.